Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO iQOO Z10 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list scroll down to the very bottom to find users and accounts. Then let's start with removing the account, because as you can see I've got one added, so let me tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and this is how to get rid of the account. In order to add it, just tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. And here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and then tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.